Complete each statement. A. The ratio of smiley faces to triangles is blank. B. There are blank squares for every triangle. C. There are 3 smiley faces for every blank squares. D. There are 3 smiley faces for every blank triangles. Question 2. Complete the following equivalent ratios for 8 to 6. A. 4 to blank. B. 12 to blank. C. Blank to 12. D. Blank to 15. Question 3. A mixture of purple paint contains 6 teaspoons of red paint and 15 teaspoons of blue paint. To make the same shade of purple paint using 35 teaspoons of blue paint, how much red paint would you need? Complete the double number line. A. 12 teaspoons. B. 14 teaspoons. C. 18 teaspoons. Or D. 26 teaspoons. Question 4. Lynn rode her bike 2 miles in 8 minutes. She rode at a constant speed. Complete the table to show the time it took her to travel different distances at that speed. Distance traveled in miles, elapsed times in minute. Question 5. Solve each of the following. 3 movie tickets cost $36. At this rate, what is the cost per ticket? B. 3 ice cream cones cost $8.25. At this rate, how much did 2 ice cream cones cost? C. 3 bananas cost 99 cents. At this rate, how much do 5 bananas cost? Question 6. A bag contains 120 marbles. Some are red and the rest are black. There are 19 red marbles for every black marble. Use a double number line or a table to show your work. B. How many red marbles are in the bag? Question 7. To make orange fizz, Noah mixes 4 scoops of powder with 6 scoops of water. Andre mixes 5 scoops of powder with 8 cups of water. Create a double number line or a table that shows different amounts of powder and water that taste the same as Noah's mixture. B. Create a double number line or a table that shows different amounts of powder and water that taste the same as Andre's mixture. How do their 2 mixtures compare in taste? Explain your reasoning.